Yolz channel. Every time I feel a little bleh and meh and I know exactly what to do, and that's a pamper session. So let's get straight into it. This always just picks up my spirit. Self-care is not only a physical, superficial thing. I think there's just something about really getting into taking care of yourself, giving yourself your own time. I closed the bathroom and I locked, making sure the boys don't disturb me. In fact, they ended up deciding to have a pochikos outside. So while they're making food, I was busy pampering myself. I tweezed my brows first. I needed a little bit of a, clean lines just around my brows. I love my thick brows, but it can get a bit unruly on the sides. After that, I just washed my face, prepped it because my upper lip desperately needed a shave, and I've been putting this off for like 2 weeks now. Go in with an oil as per usual. If you want to see the full video of me demo planning my face, go ahead and click above. I'm still using my silky razor, adding a little bit more oil above my lip just to give it slip and for safety reasons. I don't want any cuts over here, so I'm really using the same method as I would if I was using a razor. I've tried everything when it comes to hair removal, at least on my upper lip, my moustache, and my brows as well. I think this is the best, honestly, in terms of just like, no high sensitivity and no hectic breakouts around that area. I just feel like it's really safe. I was a bit extra and decided to go over my whole face with a bit of demo planning. There was no need, there was barely any hair there. 4 weeks after demo planning officially, and there's barely any hair. Then I just trimmed around my brows wherever I saw necessary. This razor is not as effective as my tweezer. While I ran my bath, I decided to take care of these nails. Oh my goodness, they are the strongest they have been this year. I had a really bad experience with acrylics, where part of my nails was literally breaking on my actual nail bed. It was really bad. So I decided to grow them back, and now they are so strong. I'm ready for December, and then 2 days ago they decided to break and become uneven. So here I am just, filing them, and quickly, this process was pretty quick. I'm just getting them all leveled up. I'll get them done in December, and now I'm prepping my bath. I absolutely love bubble bath, but let me tell you one thing, bubble bath can be super drying. Here I'm mixing a blue as well as a green bubble bath. I want like turquoisey water. Don't ask why. There's a method to my madness. It's going to look aesthetically pleasing. Trust the process. Then as per usual, I add a moisture balm, one of our Yolz Beauty moisturizing bath bombs, because as lovely as bubble bath is, it can be super drying to our skin. So I add back that moisture. I'm also adding salt, which is also going to draw out all the toxins from my body. I'm adding Himalayan and sea salt, as well as some roses. Is it even a Yolz pamper session without roses? No, standard procedure. Something else I add to all my bath. If you already know, you know. I always add an oil to my bath. Now, you can either add a few drops if you are new to this, just to measure it properly. But to be honest with you, with the oil that I'm using, I usually open it up and add a little bit of a proper gallop of oil. This is the Vana Naturals Seal Me Up multi-purpose oil, and it's an oil blend with almond oil. It's got shea butter esters, it's also got avocado oil, orange peel oil, thyme oil. My goodness, it's just a good mix of oils. And then I just move out of the way with Daisy's toys because this is necessary. It's mommy time. And I light my spicy lemonade Yolz Beauty candle. I absolutely love how calming the scent is, and again, this is just to lift up my spirit and just get me back to the norm. I hate losing myself, and I think we get so busy we forget that. Next up is me removing the jojoba oil that was on my face while I was shaving it. I'm using my cleansing balm. Again, oil attracts oil, oil removes oil. So with a little bit of water, when you are washing your cleansing balm off, you'll see that it will turn milky, and I basically just washed that off. I also decided to quickly do my hair. Hey, there was a lot going on here. I literally was like, let me actually multitask because we're here, let's do it all. So I decided to shampoo and deep condition so that while I'm in the bath, my hair actually gets all the nutrients that it needs. It's been almost 7 days without a good hair wash. And if you know me and my consistent hair care, it's not normal. But it's been one of those weeks, okay? Forgive me. So I decided to wash my hair, do the right thing, rinse all of that off before actually adding my deep conditioner. All my products are Vana Naturals hair products. That is what I use, and that's what I've been using for majority of this year. My hair has grown. I am so proud of my hair. Look at that. It is thick. It is there. It is visible. Now for my Make Me Strong mask. This is a deep conditioner. It's pretty thick, so I lay it on, honey, and anywhere else where I feel like my hair lacks moisture naturally, I layer it, okay, like we would relaxer. Only this time it's not relaxer. Do the right thing and layer your deep conditioner. This makes me so happy, just knowing that my hair is now taken care of. It's getting all the hydration and moisture that it needs for the rest of the week. I'll just moisturize and seal, to be quite honest with you, so it makes it super easy now for me to get in the bath. But before that, I want to wash my hands and then just hydrate my face and get my under eyes sorted. They're looking a little bit deep. Can you see that? Like, I don't have deep under eyes or dark under eyes naturally, but when I'm tired, I absolutely need some sort of mask underneath my eyes. And I also don't have generally like puffy eyes, but guys, it's been hectic. When I say hectic, have a look at my IG. Your girl has been busy, so I really needed this, and I decided to jump into the bath with a whole book. You know what? This was not a very good idea. I wanted to read What's Your Move. I've had this book for a few months now and I still can't finish it, so I was trying, but it was a little bit too serious for me to actually relax. So I'm going to be honest with you and tell you the truth. I probably read 3, maybe 4 pages. Then I decided this is not working out. Let me just put this book down and continue my pamper sesh, because my mind is not relaxed. I'm thinking about money when I should be thinking about life and mental clarity that I should be getting. So I'm just scrubbing my body, and I did what needed to be done. This was a much better option than reading a book, honestly. I just scrubbed my body, exfoliated it, and as you can see, the glow is coming back. Yes! This is the Vanilla Moisture Yolz Beauty Scrub. I've got nothing to say besides look at this glow. Like, this made me feel so much better than reading a book about finances. Honestly, it did. So after scrubbing my whole body, my everybody, I removed my eye mask and decided to tap all of that hyaluronic acid into my eyes. Deep puffed, honey, and feeling fresh out of the bath, and time to sheet mask. Again, a standard pamper session of Yolz cannot be a pamper session without a mask. Watch my videos from like 2-3 years ago. It's crazy. I still do the same thing. Now to add moisture to the rest of my body, I start off with my first layer, which is lotion, obviously, and then I do the things that we all do. I still use Mitchum, if you're wondering. It's still the best. Honestly, the best. And then I use a combo of my Vana Naturals oil blend as well as my Restore multi-purpose mist on my skin. Life-changing, game-changing combination, okay? Adding an oil to seal in your lotion. This gives you a layer of glow. And then just adding a rose water. This is the Vana Naturals one. Oh my goodness, look at that glow. I do the same for my legs as well. Honeys, please try it and let me know. I just can't get over the summer combo, summer glow. I love all things glow. You know me, glazed donut is my vibes, right up my alley. And obviously these legs. Let's have a moment. By the way, I'm using natural light. There is no ring light here, okay? That's just the natural glow. On a serious note, let's remove this mask, and we don't forget the neck, because we age everywhere, okay? So hydrate that neck, honey. And then because this was a salt bath, I was obviously soaking in salt, sea salt, Himalayan salt. You do need to also hydrate the rest of your body, okay? Any kind of salt bath that you have, know that it does take away moisture from your body. So I hydrate and then I can then continue my normal routine, which is adding oil to seal in my sheet mask or a moisturizer. But generally, I've been an oil girl for the past few months. I've just been obsessed with that. Game changer as well. It just makes my skin a lot more smooth, and when it's feeling congested, I then exfoliate, which I actually skipped that step here. I needed to because my forehead is congested. But I am done now to get dressed and get ready for the rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a massive thumbs up, and of course, if you're looking for any of the products I use, they are down in the description box. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah. Bye.